Hey guys, welcome back to Obakhas Geeks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change currency in PayPal. And let's get started. Now first, you need to log into your PayPal account. Then on your account dashboard or homepage, click on Wallet tab. It's up here. Once you are here, just scroll down. Under your PayPal balance, you need to click on add a currency. Then next here, select the region and your preferred currency. So we have Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, and all these other currencies. So I just choose a euro right here. Then once you're done with selecting your currency, your preferred currency, you need to click on add currency button. Then next here we'll see your currency is added. Now click on done button and you'll be taken back to your PayPal wallet. So now under your balance, as you can see, a new currency is added, but still US dollars is set as default or primary currency, right? Now to make your new currency as primary currency, just click on these three dots. Then on this pop-up options, just click on make primary. Then next here, click on set as primary button, and your new currency will be set as default or primary on your PayPal account. So guys, that's how you can change currency in PayPal. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.